Okay, I want to show you how to use the Design with Canva button that's at the top of your CinchShare Schedule a Post page. Just click the button and then you can choose what size image you're going to make. Let's make an Instagram post. This means it's making a square image. Okay, from here, it will, if you have a paid account, it will have your information over here. So let's say I want to use some of my uploads. I'm going to move my picture up here for a minute so I can see everything. And let's just say I'm going to put this and this over here. There, I've got two pictures here I want to use. I'm going to move these around a little bit. So these are my images that I have uploaded previously. I'm going to change the positioning of this one to bring it to the front, make both of them a little smaller so we see both book covers a little bit better. Then I'm going to choose a background and I'm going to use a pattern. So let's see. I want to get a pattern where you can really see it. And here, this is a good one, but I don't want this color. I want one of my brand colors that I already have in my CinchShare account. So I'm going to click the background color up here and then choose one of my brand colors. So I could choose this one, but the books don't pop there. That one's a little bright. That one doesn't seem just right. That one's really good. Okay, I like this one even better. Then I'm going to go back to my folders again, and I'm going to grab one of my logos that I have saved in here. It's right here. I will just, this is just such an example, you guys. This isn't a phenomenal image, but I just want you to see how to do it and bring it into your CinchShare. So I'm going to name this, and this is activity books. Okay, then I'm going to click publish, and it's going to bring this design right into my CinchShare Schedule a Post page, and it's loading right down here as the post photo. Okay, I can type in, I can schedule it anywhere. I can also save it. So let's say this is the folder I want to save it in. And then right here next to schedule a post is that up arrow, and I'm just going to save it into that folder, and then that picture is right there. Okay, I hope this helps you understand how you can use Design with Canva with your current Canva account in schedule a post. If you don't have an account, that's okay. You can totally use all the elements that are there for free in Canva and bring that post right into your schedule a post page. These images are not there when you go to Canva into your account, but when you go back in here, your image will be there so you can edit it again. So if you go back in using Design with Canva, your image is there. Okay, I hope this helps.